What if you could instantly turn your Snowflake Iceberg tables into secure, scalable REST APIs? With DreamFactory, you can. In just minutes, you can expose your Iceberg tables as a fully functional, secure API without writing a single line of code. Iceberg tables bring powerful capabilities like time travel, schema evolution, and optimized storage, but interacting with them isn't always straightforward. Developers can often face challenges like complex metadata queries, managing data formats, and enforcing access control. That's where DreamFactory comes in. Once your Iceberg tables are set up in Snowflake and connected to S3, DreamFactory's Snowflake integration can generate a REST API for your table in seconds. As you can see, in our Snowflake environment, we have our Iceberg table data coming back, but let's jump to DreamFactory. By simply supplying your Snowflake credentials, you are able to expose your Iceberg table securely in a developer-friendly format. Our API docs allow users to familiarize themselves with the data sets with our role-based access controls and API key management, ensuring your data is secure. Need to filter by a timestamp or query a specific snapshot? It's as easy as adding a parameter to fulfill that API request. As I query that data set, we get our standardized request URL and our standard JSON output. With your Iceberg tables available as REST APIs, you can unlock new possibilities. Seamlessly integrate with modern applications, simplify data access for non-SQL users, and enforce security policies, all while eliminating the complexity of direct SQL. Ready to simplify access to your Snowflake Iceberg tables? Start your free trial of DreamFactory today and see how easy it is to turn your data into a secure, scalable API.